See how to install the ribbon cartridge in Speed40plus printer. First, remove the cartridge from its carton. Unhook the green ribbon mask from the cartridge pins. Now open the printer cover. Now open the upper mechanical frame. Unhook the green lever with left hand. Then raise up the lever to its maximum position in order to completely open the head assembly. Check for the click, which means it is opened properly. The printer is now ready to install the ribbon. Now the printer is ready to install the ribbon cartridge. Turn the tension knob in the direction of the arrow to tighten the ribbon. Insert the upper cartridge pins onto the corresponding grooves on both sides of the upper mechanism. Then push the lower cartridge pins to the corresponding lower grooves on the both sides of the mechanical frame until it clicks into place. Okay, insert the green ribbon mask onto the print head and push it until it makes click sound to ensure that it is fixed properly. Then turn the knob in a given direction to tighten the ribbon. Hold the ribbon on the right hand side and use the lever indicated on the left hand side to close the mechanism. Please make sure that it is locked properly by hearing the click sound. Then close the top cover.